Alright guys, we'll go ahead and start the break for 2013 Topps Turkey Red number 22. Good luck everyone. It's currently 12:15. Alright, here we go. I got a divisional breakup on eBay for this. eBay's been hounding me, so I misspelled the word break. Let's see if it'll leave me alone. The search usually autocorrects the word. Send me violations every day. It's getting annoying. So check out BillsBoxBreaks.com. Let's start breaking on there instead. Alright, here we go. First card we got is, let me move my mouse here. Got Tompkins, D. Milner, Teo, got Sam Montgomery, Wilson, and we got our hit, so let's go ahead and move the hit over here. I'll do the hit last. And then we have, who's that a mini of? Poyer. Mini of Poyer. TJ McDonald. Justin Hunter. Christian Michael. Gavin Escobar. And the hit will be for the Browns. That is, let's zoom in on that. Miguel Masonette for the Browns. Brownies taking down a hit. Alright guys, check out the website, BillsBoxBreaks.com. Also check out tonight's break. It's another Topps Turkey, but it's divisional, so 8 divisions up. Check it out. See you guys later.